Hey guys, welcome back. A new update is being rolled out for Oneplus 5 and 5T users, which is in the form of Oxygen OS 5.1.7. With the help of system update, I did not get notified about the update. Then I also tried VPN services, but still I did not had any notification regarding the update availability. So finally I had to download the Ota Zip File from the XDA forum, and here you can see this is an OTA file which is around 41 MB. So this is only an OTA update file guys, it's not a complete zip file. So it is only recommended if you guys are running Oxygen OS 5.1.6. If you are running any other version, do not try to flash it using any kind of recovery, whether it is stock recovery or it is TWRP recovery, that might break your device. But if you are running Oxygen OS 5.1.6, then you can install it using your stock recovery. Place it inside the internal storage. Once you have placed it inside the internal storage, then go to settings, system update, tap the gear icon towards the right hand side, select local upgrade and choose this file, which is an OTA file of Oxygen OS 5.1.7. The update process will take around 3 to 4 minutes. Once the device is updated, then you can go to the settings and check for the software information. So going to about phone, here you can see Oxygen OS 5.1.7, Android version is 8.1. Still we have the Oreo builds available for Oneplus 5 and 5T. But some internal news claims that Pi builds will be out before Christmas, which might be in the form of open betas. Latest security patch is 1st October 2018, so here also security patch is not updated. On OnePlus 6 and 6T we have November security patch available, and the last one build date is 5th November. So this is a very minor update for OnePlus 5 and 5T, and the update size is somewhere around 39 MB. But talking about the changelogs, so here you can see OnePlus 5 Oxygen OS 5.1.7 hotfix, fixed stability issues with Bluetooth for cars. So I have never used Bluetooth with car, so I cannot tell you about that. Then moving on to the system, which says support for Project Treble, which was previously available. They have just mentioned in the changelogs. So once let me show you that, and here you can see using Project Treble check, it shows a green tick mark on Project Treble. That means the device is being supported by Project Treble. Later we have VoLTE support for IDEA in Indian region. So by default it is on, so you don't have any other additional settings to turn it off or to turn it on. Then we have improved Bluetooth stability for phone calls. So I had no issues with the previous build also with my Bluetooth device, which is OnePlus Wireless Bullets, in which I had never faced any kind of issues with phone calls. And the last one is updated security patch to October 2018. So here Android security patch has been updated to October 2018. On 5.1.6 it was August 2018. So these are very minor changes what they have done with this update. Nothing new has been added. The new UI is still missing on stable builds, but if you guys want to have a taste of the new UI which looks similar to Android Pie, then you can install the beta versions for OnePlus 5 or 5T. So there is not much to show about this update. Device also passes the safety net check. Bluetooth is working perfectly fine. As you can see, my wireless bullets are connected. Other than improvements, there are no new additions done. OTA link will be available in the description below, but that is only a OTA file which is smaller in size, that is somewhere around 39 MB. And once I get the complete zip file, I'll include that in the description below. But to install OTA update, make sure your device bootloader is logged and you should be only running on Oxygen OS 5.1.6. Now talking about the performance part, let's take a look at the benchmark results using Geekbench application and Antutu Bench application. With Geekbench application, single core scores 1907, wherein multi-core scores 6473. With Antutu benchmark application, device scores 1,92,843, which is similar to the previous update, that was Oxygen OS 5.1.6. So guys, as of now only this much in this video. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video then do give me a thumbs up. Also if you are new to my channel then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.